Percocet, Miley Percocet, represent, gotta represent, chase a chick, never chase a bitch, chase no bitch, mask on, got a fucking mask on.
Hey you guys, what's up? I am back. I know I've been MIA. I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you the reason. My grandfather passed on the 24th and I've just not been able to focus on anything, especially editing videos. So this is today's look. It's a full face of Covergirl and it's very pretty, easy cut crease for every day. So pray for my family, y'all, because we kind of going through it. But here's the video. First, we are going with the Covergirl Easy Breezy Brow Sculpt and Set Pomade. This is the shade Soft Brown. I love this stuff. This stuff is like in the middle of the Cabral from Benefit and the Anastasia Dip Brow. It's like that consistency that's right in the middle. It's pigmented, but not too like hard and stiff like the Benefit Cabral is. And the Anastasia, that's just pigmented and creamy. But it stays just as nice. It's a nice color. It's a nice formula. This brush that comes with it is easy to use. It does the job. It's easy. And it's like $5 at Target. Next, we're going with the Easy Breezy Brow Pomade. This is a shade medium and it's a volumizing gel for your eyebrows. It sets in place and gives you some volume. I'm using the shade medium for my brows today. Next, we're going in with the new concealer from Covergirl. This is shade M300 and we're going to be carving our brows out with this. I will tell you more about this concealer when I apply it as, regular concealer. Covergirl did send me all this stuff and I appreciate it so much. This is not sponsored. I'm just on the PR list. Next, we're going in with this palette from the Full Spectrum collection. This is called Reverence, and it's definitely so perfect for every day. Just taking the bone shade and setting my crease and my brow bone. Next, we are going with this matte color. These mattes in here are so flawless. Like this whole palette, like the shadows are so good. We're going with this chocolate brown color, and this is going to be our transition shade in our crease. And I'm using the Sigma E40 for this. Then we're going with this other brown. It's like 2 or 3 shades darker than the original shade we just used. And I'm just deepening this with this Morphe B18 brush. And now we're going with this deep fudge color. It's like a blackened brown and we're going to deepen the crease even more. I really wanted to do something really dimensional but easy for every day, so we're just getting that dimension and definitely making sure it's there and it's popping. And then I'm taking my Sigma E40 and just blending everything together. No additional product, none of that. Just blend it out, girl. Just blend it out until you can't no more. I'm taking the lightest shade in concealer that they sent me and I am going to carve my crease out. We're going to manually carve it out. No looking up, no nothing. I want this to stay very close to my eye shape so it stays as wearable as possible. So definitely just freehand it. If you can't do what I usually do, you can see my other cut creases. Today we freehanded it today. Now this color is so beautiful. These shimmers are so pigmented and I've just packed this on my lid. It's like I don't even know. It's like a flip of gold and like bronze. So we're definitely just gonna pack that on and then we're gonna blend the edges with no extra product on this brush. And then we're going in with my favorite, probably this is one of my favorite eyeliners. This is the Get In Line by Covergirl. They have like 3 or 4 colors, I believe. They have a matte black, a shimmery black, a glossy black, a brown, and a teal, I believe. So we're just gonna make a wing with that. And then we're gonna go in with this metallic yellow gold shade and put that on the brow bone. And then we're gonna go in with the Exhibitionist mascara, and this mascara it's pretty standard. It's a standard mascara. It's not bad at all, but it's not like wow, you know? So it's pretty standard. It's a good mascara. And these are 2 of the new Base Business primers they have. They actually have 4 others. You see me use them all the time. I'm going to use the hydrating one on one side and the matte on the other. And you can definitely see the difference, and they do what they say they do. One mattifies, one hydrates, and they both worked really well on my oily combo skin. So this is the matte side, this is the hydrated side. Now we're finna use one of my favorite foundations. I really love this foundation. Its coverage is amazing. It is like, it barely needs to be set with powder. It's not too matte, but it's matte. It's flexible, it's easy to blend out and everything. Okay y'all, now here's my opinion on this concealer. I'm using the medium one, like the M300 for this, and then I pop on some of the light shade just to give a little bit of brightness. I tried this foundation out in the sun, in the sweat, this concealer out, and y'all, it's amazing. It's like Shape Tape from Tarte, but it's like not as drying at all, and I need that for my under eyes, so I really am obsessed with this concealer. Thank you so much, Covergirl, for sending this to me. Sorry I'm not as talkative as usual, like I'm trying my best right now. So I'm sorry if there's long segments where I'm just not talking. I'm trying my best, y'all. And now we are going to go in with the banana and translucent setting powder, which these are currently my favorite. I used the banana under my eyes, and I used the translucent all over my face, and I just patted it in with the sponge until it disappeared. I didn't really bake, but this powder is like, it's so perfect. It's finely milled, and it's just, you guys, it's amazing. And then we're going to set that down with the Lock-It setting spray, which smells so good. And for bronzer, I don't really have a bronzer, so I'm using this darker face powder from Covergirl, and I'm just applying that with a Sigma sculpting brush. Now we're taking this full spectrum multi-use palette, and we're using the blush color. This is actually a palette called Blush Touch, and this blush is so pretty. It's like pink with a gold flip, so you're definitely gonna get that glow from it. And now we're gonna go in with the Super Stunner Hyper Glow highlights. This is the shade Pearl Crush. You guys, look at that. I was shook. I was not expecting this at all. I never thought I would get a highlight like this from Covergirl. This highlight is everything I've ever wanted. Look at that. And we are going to take whatever's left from this brush and put it on the lower lash line. And now we are finally to lips. I'm using one of the liners, which I shouldn't even have used because it can barely be seen. It just helped me outline a little bit. And then I'm using one of the cream lipsticks from their new lipstick lines that they reformulated and redid. So yeah, that's basically what I did, how I did it, everything like that. And this is a finished look. I love this look so much, and I'm so sorry if I was kind of like everywhere trying to do this voiceover. I tried as hard as I could. But if you like everyday looks like this, let me know and I'll do more. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.
This game get fun. Top of God, that's a liability. Hit the gas, boosting my adrenaline, be it fine. Percocet.